Do you want to learn how to make money during a war? These are the top 6 defense stocks that you can invest in to make money. I already made about $20 by following this strategy and investing in this defense stocks that I'm going to show you here today. So this is how you can actually make money whenever the US economy or the US in general is having difficulties with another country and we are spending more money in war resources such as weapons, tanks, jets, anything like that. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. We're all about making you money. So if you want to learn how to make money, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. That way you do not miss out on any new learning opportunity. Also, make sure you like the video. It really helps me out and it helps this video get to more viewers like you. Also, make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions for me or anything like that. Before we get started, I do want to share some of our amazing affiliate links that we have for this channel, such as a free stock with Robinhood. All you have to do is use the link that I have in the description. You'll get a completely free stock as soon as you sign up. And then we also have 2 free stocks from Webull. The links are in the description, and all you have to do is sign up for their platform, deposit any amount such as $20, and you'll get 2 free stocks as soon as you get started. I'll leave the link in the description, that way you can sign up very easily. It takes less than 10 minutes to do the whole thing. And then this is a Discover secured credit card where you get 1 to 2% cash back on every single purchase, and there's a $50 sign up bonus. So $50 of absolutely free money as soon as you sign up, and you can use this on whatever you want. So really good offers. Make sure you check them out in the description. You definitely don't want to miss out on the free stocks, free money, and all of that, okay? Alright, so let's get to the video. So these are probably like the top 7 self-defense companies or defense contractors that the US has. So these are the companies that the US government goes to whenever they need any sort of weapon or tank or fighting jet, anything like that. The government goes to these companies that I'm going to show you here. So let's start with well, actually it has the top 10, but the only significant ones are the top 6, because these are companies that you can actually invest in, or top 7. So Airbus, so this is like the main competitor of Boeing, and they actually make some really good fighting jets, and the US buys a lot of them. They sell about 11.3 billion in arms sales, and this is a European company, but you can actually invest with them in the stock market. And then we have General Dynamics. So they're pretty much a manufacturer for everything, tanks, anything, and the arms sales is 19.5 billion. The lower we get to the list, the more the government spends on them. This is NOC, the stock, Northrop Grumman, 22.4 billion. And then we have BAE Systems, 22.9 billion. This is from United Kingdom. And then we have Raytheon, a very popular defense company in the United States, 23.9 billion in sales. And then number 2 we have Boeing. So they've been having a lot of issues recently, but during times of war, the government really needs these companies. So number 1, we have Lockheed Martin at 44.9 billion in arms sales, country United States. So these are the top 6, 7 that you can invest in, and I'm going to show you the largest ones in the United States. That way you can take a look at the list, and you can actually do your own research if you're interested in investing in them. So a defense contractor is a business organization or individual that provides products or services to the military, and they work with the government, so it's very hard for them to go bankrupt because the government is very dependent on them, and they're willing to pay them a lot of money so that they get what they need. We probably have the biggest budget for military spending in the whole world, so it makes sense that these companies have a ton of money, and you can do your own research with regards to the balance sheets, but all these companies are loaded with money. So number 1, we have Lockheed Martin. Number 2, we have Boeing. Number 3, we have Raytheon, and then we have Bay Systems. Number 5, we have Northrop Grumman. I keep on missaying that name. General Dynamics, number 6, and Airbus, number 7. So these are the largest defense companies that you can actually invest in them today in the stock market. They're one of the biggest, and I always recommend investing in the biggest companies because you don't want to invest in small companies because it's pretty much unknown if they're going to succeed as much as these do. So this is LMT, Lockheed Martin. So as you see, a very, very good stock that always seems to be uptrending. You definitely want to be buying stocks like this, and it also pays you a dividend yield of 2.32%. And then let's go ahead and check out the other one. This is Boeing. We can look at its max chart. It has a 2.48% dividend yield. So all these pretty much pay a dividend. So no reason why not to invest in them. They're very good, and the government's always going to have a need for them, not just in times of war, but they do tend to go up during war. And I actually took some swing trades where I made some profits that I'm going to show you later on in this video. So next I'm going to show you Raytheon. Raytheon has a 1.66% dividend yield, and it's uptrending as well. So I love the graph. It always seems to be going up in value, and you'll enjoy the dividend over time. So a lot of good benefits of investing in these types of companies that are well established and have been used by the government for a very, very long time. And this is Bay Systems, so uptrending pattern as well. Kind of horizontal, but they do have a dividend yield of 3.55%. And then we have NOC. I'm not going to try to say the name again, but let's look at the max chart. And this pays a 1.41% dividend yield. So very good stock. I love stocks like this that are well established and always seem to be going up in value and have a dividend that they pay continuously. Next we have General Dynamics with a dividend yield of 2.26% and uptrending as well. This is Airbus, a newer company with a dividend yield of 0.93%, but an uptrending pattern, which I love, and this has the potential to go up a lot more in value. So let me show you some swing trades that I made just with one share for pretty much all of these. So 4.42% profit swing trade with Lockheed Martin. I did this like in 1 or 2 days. So you see my buy order and sell order pretty much the next day, well, after the weekend. And then the next swing trade that I made, so this is 7.47 profit with NOC. I'll show you my buy order and sell order. Yeah, so 367 buy and then 375 sell. This is UTX. This wasn't on the list, but they do benefit from the war because they make a lot of the technologies that they use. Just a small profit, 29 cents. Not really significant, but I can use all this money that I collected in total to reinvest back into dividend stocks. So this was just a swing trade just to show you that you can actually make money from these companies that I'm showing you here today. I took a small swing trade position in Tesla. This has nothing to do with the war. I just want to show you guys. So I bought, I think it was just 2 shares and sold the 2 shares like within a week, actually within 3 days. And with this, I'm going to show you the profit. So you just subtract, and it's $6.63 profit. So this week, just by swing trading with just like 1 or 2 shares in each company, I was able to make a profit of $18.81. Alright, so there we go, subscribers. Those are the top 6 or 7 self-defense companies that you can invest in today in order to profit whenever we have a war going on, or just in general tensions that we have with other countries. So a lot of people don't know, but you can actually make money during difficult times as well. You can pretty much make money when the economy is good, when it's bad, when we have a war, any sort of a scenario, we can make money from the stock market. So I hope this video brought value to you and that you learned something today. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, and give me a like. Thank you all so much. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.